Hello, I'm Heather Ryan with 3D Molecular Designs, and I'd like to invite you to join us here in Milwaukee this summer for the Modeling the Molecular World summer course. At Modeling the Molecular World, science educators get to improve their science content knowledge, and they get hands-on experience with effective modeling practices in the classroom. Over the course of the week, educators will get a one-group set of most of our materials. That is a value of over $900, which is higher than the fee for the course itself. Here at 3D Molecular Designs, we have been advancing the practice of modeling for the last 20 years. And Modeling the Molecular World is a culmination of our efforts. This is the best way to advance your classroom modeling practices and resources. Participants learn modeling tips and techniques from experienced educators who have fostered student modeling, discovery, and inquiry in their own classrooms. I hope you're able to join us in Milwaukee this summer for Modeling the Molecular World. I'm looking forward to getting to know you and learning what you need in your classroom.